Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good opportunity, and it is a unique opportunity for all the young leaders across the India to work with government to address some of the most pressing urban challenges, guys. And from this one we are going to get the fellowship also from one of the state government, and under this fellowship the candidates who are having the post graduation, okay, any post graduation, fine, even though if you are a fresher then you are going to get the 75,000 rupees per month, and if you are having the post graduation with some experience then you are going to get 1 lakh plus as a fellowship amount, okay. And under this fellowship scheme you will get the opportunity to directly work under the ministries of the state government, guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to serve our nation, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Chief Minister's Urban Leaders Fellowship Program from the Delhi government, guys. The Chief Minister's Urban Leaders Fellowship is a unique opportunity for young leaders across India to work with the Delhi government to address some of the most pressing urban challenges and experience what's making change looks like. The high competitive fellowship aims to recruit outstanding young professionals from across the country under the age of 35 who are passionate about public service and are willing to commit to working with the Delhi government for a period of 2 years. Fine. So while coming to the fellowship details, okay, just click on this one and then you will be directed to the details regarding this one. So I will little bit zoom this one. Okay, and I will provide the link in the description box of this video so that you may go through very clearly. So this fellowship will last for the 2 years and will consist of the following components. Okay, the selected fellows will undergo a structural induction program over the first 3 weeks consisting of the 2 phases. In the first phase, that means in the first 1 week, the training will be there. The fellows will be trained on government process and functioning, effective communication, leadership and conflict resolution, project ownership, working with communities, monitoring and evaluation, etc., through lectures and interactive sessions with senior officers or ministers of the Delhi government and subject matter experts from academia and the civil society. And coming to the next 2 weeks, the field immersion will be there. The fellows will spend focused time on the field, experiencing the day-to-day functioning of the departments they have been assigned to and forming their own impressions of the field level challenges and the possible solutions. Fine. And while coming to the fellowship assignment, each and every fellow will be assigned to one of the departments of the Delhi government at the time of appointment, and you have to work under the department. After you join, okay, you will receive the details on your fellowship assignment, which will include the key initiatives within the department that they will be contributing to and specific details on the roles and responsibilities. And allocation of fellowship assignments will depend upon both the needs of the departments and the skill and work experience that each of the fellows bring. Okay. And a typical project assignment will require the fellows to contribute through a variety of roles over 1 to 2 years, such as due diligence and background preparation to launch an ambitious reform, project management to fast track the implementation of the priority projects, and providing the ground up feedback to the ministers or the secretaries on progress of the key programs, okay, and strengthening the concurrent monitoring and the evaluation in key programs, etc. Fine. And here the performance management and the deliverables and the program completion, the learning opportunities, okay, everything is provided here, you may check down. And exposure to and understanding of various stakeholders involved in the governance process. The compensation you are going to get is 1,25,000 rupees per month will be provided to the fellows, and 75,000 rupees per month will be provided to the associate fellows. That means here the 2 different types of fellows are there. One is the normal fellow and second one is the associate fellow. Fine. And what is the selection criteria, how they are going to select? The Chief Minister's Urban Leadership Fellows Program invites application for outstanding young leaders who are Indian citizens or holding OCA status and between 21 to 35 years of age. Eligibility criteria for fellows is either one of the following should apply. That means out of these three, any one is applied. Okay. So PG with 60% of marks with minimum 3 years of full-time work experience, and professions like MBBS, LLB, etc. with minimum 5-year course of study after 12th class will be considered as postgraduate. And professionals like the chartered accounts, architects, company secretaries, etc. who are registered with their respective professional bodies shall be eligible to apply for fellows if they have 3 years of post-registration work experience, and PG, only PG with 5 years of full-time experience. So out of these three, if you belongs to any one of these three, then you can apply for the fellows. Coming to the associate fellows, PG with 60%, and professionals like MBBS or LLB, etc. with minimum 5-year course of study after 12th class. Or else if you are the graduate, only graduate, then you must have the 1 year of full-time experience. Or else if you are the post-graduation, then no problem, you can directly apply, guys. No need of experience for the associate fellows with post-graduation. But graduates require the 1 year full-time experience. And professions like the CA, architects, company secretaries, etc. who are registered their respective professional bodies are also eligible for applying the associate fellows with minimum 1 year of post-registration work experience. Fine. So these are all the things, and few more desired criteria are expected. Extra weightage will be given to the candidates with superior academic performance, greater full-time work experience, relevant work experience, demonstration of outstanding achievements, and the leadership potential, good oral and the written communication skills. Fine. And the recruitment process, how the recruitment process will happen is that it consists of the 2 rounds, guys. First one is the online application. That means whatever the application you are applying, that means here, as I told that, yeah, here itself apply is there. You have to apply through this one. If you click on this apply, then you will be directed to the online application form where you have to fill up all the required details. Fine. So the first round of shortlisting will be done based upon your academics and professional qualification of the applicants and the responses to the personal statement question in the online application. Candidates will be evaluated on criteria such as academic performance, credibility of institution, total years and relevance of work experience. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. The final round is the interview, consists of face-to-face interview with a panel comprising officials from the government of NCT of Delhi and experts from academia and civil society. Candidates will be interviewed either in person in Delhi or through the video conferencing. And few important dates are given. Acceptance of applications 10th July and applications deadline. Okay, that means acceptance started on 10th July and the application deadline is 9th August. Announcement of first shortlist 20th August. Final interview 30th to 31st August. Announcement of final list 3rd September. Final date for candidates to accept offers 10th September. Fellowship program begins from the 4th October. Fine. So total these are the details regarding this fellowship program, guys. I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to work with state government or else under the ministries. Okay, from all over the India you may apply from any state, guys. Okay, no problem. Why? Because it is announcing the fellowship scheme from all over the India, see across the country under the age of 35 who are passionate about the public service and willing to commit to working with the Delhi government for a period of 2 years. Fine. If you are having any queries regarding this one, here the frequently asked questions are there. Just once click on this one and then you will be directed to the few different questions. Frequently asked questions are there. So mostly your questions might be answered. Okay, your questions might be answered in this one. Fine. And it is the complete process regarding the fellowship details. Fine. Chief Minister's Urban Leaders Fellowship Program. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and a general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.